Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today is Cheapy Tuesday and I've been shopping at Asda and I managed to get some offers and a load of yellow stickers and I spent a total of £20 and 26p. So I got a fair few things reduced and a couple of things I paid full price for. So this is what I got. I got cat sticks, they were £1.20, no offer on them. Cat food, they were £4.98, that was their offer, but that seems to be the usual price to me. I got these spicy burgers for my son, they're £4.98. He likes them because they're full of spices. I got the fruit that are all on offer for 74p. So I got easy peelers, little bananas and little apples, and they were all 74p. And I paid full price for the cheapy coleslaw because I like that with some salad. So everything else I got was reduced. I got 4 Cornish pasties, I'll have them for free, and they were reduced twice. I think there should have been £3. Oh, sorry. Yeah, £2.94, and I got them for £1.47, so they were half price. We had grapes reduced twice, 47p, so I got 2, so we've got 1 each. We had these orange cake bars, so they're a bit like Jaffa cakes. There's 2 of them, and they were reduced twice to 56p. They should have been £1.47. So I got 2 of them. I got crumpets, they were reduced twice. Wilkerton's ones, these will go in the freezer and they were reduced to 29p. And the reason these are going in the freezer, because I got 30 buns. They had some hot cross buns and they were reduced twice to 55p, and they were originally 134. So yeah, so because we had them, I got 2 lots of them because I love myself a juicy bun. I got some bread rolls, they were reduced twice to 17p. I got these soft rolls, burger rolls I'll do for the burgers, they were reduced twice to 47p. So these ordinary bread rolls will go in the freezer and these bread rolls will be used with the burgers. And last but not least, I got a bag of salads, and that was reduced twice to 53p. So altogether, I spent £20 and 26, and I'm out with 30 because I've reduced my spend. I'm trying to reduce my spending on food shopping to £50 a week from 70, so I can sort of pay some money back because I've been tipping into my emergency fund to pay for DIY materials. So I'm trying to put that back, and the way I'm doing it is by cutting back on the food shopping. Right, I did something good, but I also did something stupid today. I left my phone behind because Asda rewards are rubbish now. It's just a school uniform, credit cards and that sort of thing. I got the buy me a coffee money today. There was £36, and after the fees were deducted I had £31.74. So I drew out £30 at the till and I spent £30.35 because I had some change in my purse. So this is what I got. I'm so annoyed with myself because I forgot my phone, and I'm like, oh, so I need to make sure I got my phone next time. So I got 3 soups, lots of soups, sanitary towels. I got 5 sanitary towels. I got 5 tins of tuna. I got beans with the sausages, 5 of them. I got 3 packets of instant mash. I got tinned tomatoes. I got rice pudding, I got meatballs in a tomatoey type sauce, I got 5 bars of soup, I got 2 jars of jam, I got 5 tins of spaghetti hoops because they're ready to go. So they don't take ages to cook like normal pasta, so that it's great for the kids, spaghetti hoops. So there you go. So altogether I spent £30.35. So next time I will film it. I'm just annoyed with myself. Oh yeah, I got body spray because when I did one day at the food bank, I couldn't do it again because I was just so obsessed about it. They often get male deodorants but not deodorant for women, so I picked up 3 of them. They were £1 each as well, because when I was at the food bank they didn't have soap and they didn't have body spray for women, so I just thought, right, I'll get them. And there's a video, I've got a video on my playlist somewhere with a little list where the food bank recommends stuff, so I tried to get most of the stuff that was on the list. I bought soup because it's September now and the weather will soon start cooling down, so I thought, oh, you could throw it in the microwave or in a pan quickly and it'll be quick to heat and quick to eat. So next time I will definitely make sure I've got my phone with me, because I haven't brought it lately because the asda rewards have been pants, so it's my own fault for not thinking. I left my phone behind, and then when I got on the shop I was like, oh, so there you go. But anyway, yeah, so I got loads of bargains for myself, and I got a raft of stuff for the food bank, so that was really nice to do. And that was from the buymeacoffee.com/SkentLivingUK if you wish to donate. I've had no actual ad revenue yet because you've got to reach a certain threshold, so once I do I'll let you know and I'll do a proper film because I'm a fool. So there you go. If you could please like, share and subscribe, and if you could leave a comment, that would be wonderful so the YouTube algorithm knows I exist. Bye for now.